If you can light a candle instead of complaining of the darkness, you will actually understand how light, how actually powerful you are. And all this power is so much greater than all the fears, anxieties, and worries you might have, because most of the fears and anxieties are not real. They are illusion. What is real is the power you actually have within your heart, within your mind, within your soul. So forget about all those things that you think are actually blocking you from getting what you want. You are far, far more powerful than you think you are. When you complain, you're actually shooting yourself in the foot, because you are forgetting, you are forsaking all the powers that are behind the curtains, that are just waiting for you to just do what? Visualize, affirm, and act accordingly. So when you do this, the power is already there waiting for you. It's not much to do because the rest is already there. So you just align yourself with those actions, with those thoughts, and then the rest will follow naturally and organically. So trust in yourself and believe. Most people will not dare, the keyword is dare, to have those thoughts of inspiration, of harmony, of power. They think power is a bad thing. But you are so powerful. We all are uniquely powerful within our own mind, within our own subconscious mind. We are actually the gods of our own reality. But all of this is forsaken for thoughts of despair, of fear, of anxiety. But you can choose at any given moment to choose what is inspiring, what is motivating, what is in harmony, what is peaceful, what is joyful, what is abundant. It's a choice you make, but it's a choice nonetheless. No matter how fucked up your day is, no matter how shitty your week was, no matter how awful your month was, this year was for you. Tomorrow you can start anew. You can start fresh. Every time you wake up, you start again. So start from zero, but start with a positive attitude. Start fresh with only thoughts of abundance and gratitude, and stop complaining. That's how you start fresh. Doesn't matter what happens today. Tomorrow you can always start fresh. You need to hear this. However hard it's going to be to hear this. If you spend this life forsaking yourself, not being true to yourself, it will hurt. Now the other side is that it will also include some suffering, but you will actually be true to yourself. So the choice is yours. Either you have the suffering of not being yourself, or you have the suffering of being yourself, but you also have the joy and fulfillment of getting everything you want, because you are being authentic. You are being who you are supposed to be. So yes, it will come with some suffering, but the joy and the fulfillment is immense.